Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Ziploc ice cream. Grab heavy cream, granulated sugar, vanilla extract, a pint Ziploc, a quart Ziploc, ice, and rock salt. Seal the inner bag tightly and shake within the larger bag filled with ice and salt. Keep shaking until thick, then rinse and dry the top bag before opening. Scoop into bowls and enjoy a creamy, handmade treat with minimal. Prepare your ingredients and workspace before starting to keep the process smooth. Combine cream, sugar, and vanilla in the pint Ziploc, press out excess air, and seal tightly. Fill the quart Ziploc halfway with crushed ice and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of rock salt to start. Nestle the sealed pint bag into the ice, seal the outer bag, and hold a towel while shaking to protect your hands. Shake with steady energy and short bursts, keeping palms moving to avoid numbness and to evenly freeze the mix. If textures vary, continue shaking another minute or two for a firmer result. For flavor variations, fold in crushed fruit or chocolate after the mix thickens to avoid tearing the bag. Serve immediately for soft serve or pop into a freezer-safe container for a few hours for scoopable ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.